Loud for a washing machine, even that's an understatement. Welcome to 2 minutes of disgraceful HE washing machine. Stupid bearings, rev 2. This is episode 4 of 2 minutes of a disgraceful HE washing machine. And this has got to be the worst of them all. Because do you hear how loud this thing is? This thing is loud to an unbelievable extent. We have 13 minutes on the clock.
Hello, everyone.
And here is Mechanic Micah, who is featuring in this 2 minutes of just total disgrace, because that is all this thing is. This thing is decently balanced, but it's still vibrating like no tomorrow.
Look at this. What's it?
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna put the look at this. I'm gonna put the camera on it, and look how much this thing is shaking.
It's shaking so
Look
much.
at this thing shaking. And the obstacle image stabilization is totally screwed up. It cannot figure out what is going on.
These lights.
And it's also spazzing out over there. But this thing is loud. Do you hear this thing? Is it quiet, Mechanic Micah? Is it quiet?
Well, you should say. I mean, it is. Yes, it's up for louder sounds. I mean, that's 1968 Full-Ass Barracuda.
Yeah, exactly.
But technically, I guess it'd be loud for a washing machine.
Loud for a washing machine, even that's an understatement. Even that is an understatement for this disgraceful thing that makes so much noise that it wakes up even my grandma. This thing wakes up absolutely everyone in the house as it spins. It also freaking shakes. And look, it's locked. Oh my god.
Imagine I jumped in there.
Yeah, I know. It's like, it's locked. Oh my god, it's so safe. Oh my god, look, I feel like I could break it just by pulling up on the thing.
Yeah, you actually can.
Yeah, I could. Let's not try though. Alright, so this is 2 minutes
I'm a mechanic. I take apart stuff.
This is 2 minutes of a disgraceful HE washing machine. Stupid bearings. This thing is loud. I can't even hear myself think. Link to Micah's channel will be in the description below. This thing is absolutely disgraceful. Do you hear me? Anyway, this has been Smurtle 450 with a disgraceful HE washing machine. It's so disgraceful. That doesn't even quiet it down. Okay, this thing is disgraceful. This has been Smurtle 450, and I am out. I'll see you next time.